Welcome to the Clark Floor Plan. This beautiful one-story home includes 5 spacious bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a gourmet kitchen and dining area, and a large open great room, all that interact perfectly with the included backyard-covered patio. The master suite of the Clark features a private bathroom retreat that includes a large step-in shower, twin sinks, and a huge walk-in closet. This incredible new home also features an optional bunk room, as well as a walk-in laundry room, plenty of extra storage, and a 2-bay garage. And because Lennar is the one and only home builder in Arizona to offer everything's included homes, the Clark also includes all of the green features, smart technology, and luxury designer upgrades that you've come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home or for directions to any of our premier neighborhoods, visit lennar.com.